I'm coming home. I'm coming home.
Do you want to go home to see your wife or your girlfriend? Sure you do, and so do I. Well, casualties inflicted by the enemy would be the first thing to stop you. Did you know that VD is the second? Avoiding the source is the most ideal way, but I know some of you won't listen to that. The only other way is immediate medical attention. If you're worried, see your medic.
I'm coming home. I'm coming home.
This saves you from having to shoot their teeth out. We call it the knock-knock rule, though it should be the knock-knock-knock rule because it's 3 knocks. Anyway, it's any of these small shacks here. Out in the distance on the other edge of the field is a vinyl-sided building. It counts as a building because it has a roof, but it's too big. A knock-knock doesn't work on that. Come in there and try and shoot my teeth out. Dare you.
That's the church?
That's the church. We've been calling that one the church. It's a really big building, so you can kind of shoot in, around, through it. It's very hard to get in a close quarters situation in there compared to one of these buildings where you can just run up to the building and kind of MAC-10 someone in the face, no problems. Yes, the wounded can talk. Yes, you can shoot talking wounded to shut them up. If they want to shut up, they will. If not, keep shooting. If you don't want to get shot, stop talking. So what happens to the supplies was our question.
People should get that.
I originally had, but the problem is, towards the end of the day, each base is going to have a box at it and nobody will be carrying anything. I want to stop that from happening.
So even if you get your box back, you can't just use it to stay there for 30 minutes and retake the position. That box has to go back to your home base.
That box was emptied out by the other team.
And go back.
So you have to bring that box back to your base. Or in this case, a lack of these.
Wah.
That's what I heard, right?
Wah.
Proper prior planning prevents lack of vodka. It's the 4 P's plus a pronoun and a noun and a verb. Why are you not?
Lord, there cannot be a greater friend zone there than what could be there.
No, this isn't Danielle.
I know! So there's definitely no chance there. Exactly!
Valiantly with your green, and I have no problem. It never happened here.
Wait. There's dude over there. I like that, dude. You keep walking. It's in the room by Rock. Wait one. This is still that previous one that you're waiting. I just got too much. Can you like step to your left so we can nail you with BBs? Like, I want to like hang him in the hands. Yeah, you keep waiting. You see him, right? He's just like, there's his elbow and shit.
Yeah, you're short. You're falling like 30 feet short.
Can you kill him?
No, there's too many trees in the way.
Somebody get Con? Would you like?
We are almost at
my security detail might be able to assist you. Hey, somebody push assault with me.
Hold on, there's two over there. There's a guy in the grain and the guy hiding behind the sandbags.
And that's why we should go follow. There's only two.
There's two that I see.
I have a machine gun.
Okay, so that's like 4 man.
4 equalizer.
Might as well get shot.
Our new friends are going to assist?
Yes, they're going to wipe the evil tan from the face of here.
Our detail's gonna assist them.
What?
We're gonna assist them in fighting off tan on Alpha.
Go kill the tan infidels!
Okay.
And then you can have the crate.
And then we can have the crate.
On a scale of 1 to 10, how cute is Potat?
Which one is Potat, you said?
Potat.
Excuse me.
Hey, food. My baby is hungry. He's 8 months.
My place is here for you, sir. I cannot come. I cannot come closer.
He called me sir. I got baby. He fucking what?
This isn't going well for him.
Yeah. It's one of these rooms.
Alright, cool. Oh, you're spilling. We have enough water on the ground.
Why are you making a mess in here? Where's the bath? God damn it, the cleaning lady isn't gonna be here for another fucking week.
Goddamn linoleum.
What are you looking for?
Why would someone rearrange the drawers?
Do you have anybody who's familiar with those types of meals?
Let me taste it. Come
I
here.
said the battery.
Let me taste your food. Make sure it's safe for your baby. Fucking food.
This is fucking terrible.
No, there's no flavor to it. I may have gotten a piece. What are your thoughts? Where's that
Beef teriyaki.
There's no battery. Oh no, there's supposed to be a battery in there, guys.
Can I show you how to eat it?
Menu no 17. Menu no 17.
There was a lipo in one of the drawers. Why the fuck would someone move it?
Did it?
It's a very, very close 11, in my opinion. Sir, what do you think?
I think it's 11.
11 is 2 ones.
22.
That's shittier than 1. They did the same
There it
fucking
is. This is
thing.
a fucking deep drawer.
So you're saying So you're saying I have common bonds with my enemy? I'm confused.
No, it means you're all fucking stupid and wrong. Fucking you're dead.
Can I ask whose seat is that?
My babies?
Naked guy seat? Why are you naked?
The girls never came.
Mike or whatever your name is. Hey,
You got container for tea!
Where'd you get the tri-seat?
Are you done that piping hot tea yet?
You have something for tea?
Fuck, that burns. Thank you.
It's lightly colored.
It is lightly colored.
What is this space?
It smells like
Paper.
woods.
Paper tricks inside.
So very kind.
Ah, nice.
I think I need more pine needles, but I can lightly taste it.
That's interesting.
Little. Just a little. Can only handle so much.
Not bad.
You doing your whole body?
On a snack bar!
Nobody else is here for that one. So, it's up to you, but at the very least, we wish for new friends and peace.
We will accept peace, but we will not take up arms at the moment.
And that is very respectable. Very respectable.
Did you call Lou?
Sir, do you think these terms are very fair for us? Very fair. Very fair. All right,
We're looking to
of my thanking for the blessings. Thanking.
Thanks, dude.
GoldenEye reload.
It looks like he did one of these to us, and he's just kind of stuck there.
You may. I don't.
Love it.
What was that?
What are you yelling at us?
It's hard to continually do it because he's over here having giggle fits.
I'm good. I'm good.
Is that a dying dog?
It's a walrus taking his shit. That sounds like a fucking rice burner. I don't know which end better focuses the sound.
I feel like
Some sort of food.
That's
Give away my food all day.
Some sort of fruit snack. I got you.
Is it for the baby?
I need doctor. And I want ransom for Mr. Man.
Careful. Alright, what do you guys want from him? You want me to tell him to dispose of it properly?
I don't know what he has anything to do with that.
No, he doesn't, but I can get him to dispose of it properly.
I don't think he knows. I think he got tired of waiting.
No, this is the second time he's come out. He looks for food. We paid him in food last time he went.
I want your food.
Here, I got some fruit snacks for you. They're the most delicious fruit snacks in the land.
Take video of everything.
Whether I should make this in here or just go out to golf and chill with them.
A little bit of action going on over by Charlie, but nothing too serious.
And I have it.
And then I sold it to him.
I went to
Hola! Hello! Wow. You're dead now! You're dead now!
No, be careful.
You're dead now!
we detonated
He already detonated it.
What? Are you serious?
You're dead now!
Are you serious?
What the fuck? Oh my God, man! He missed the rope! Blackbird's fucking down, guys!
Go.
No! Blackbird, no! Oh, my back! Someone fix my back!
Okay, deal. Is that blue there? Is that blue right there? Sure. Red ones are dim. I mean,
I know.
he's trying, so.
I mean, yeah, I know, but...
Yeah, I think so.
Puts me at a really bit of...
As realistic as it is, yeah, no red. You should be able to see him in the light.
What did I say?
Way too much hop up, Jesus. He's shooting my damn light.
Somebody's ricochet fucking hurt.
He's got way too much hop up.
Stay over there. No, show them all first.
Set on an unfamiliar setting to me. A lot on it. Oh, there he is.
somebody give me a gun? It's only got 10 numbers. Did you find your gold watch?
Yeah, he legit did lose his gold watch, right? Or is he just joking about that?
Wait till over here. You'll have to get low. They're right over here. Still hit! Don't even bother, don't even bother, don't even bother. Stop, stop, get out of here, get out of here. Still hit!
I think he needs a hug.
Set him down!
Gun!
Someone set him down! Sit down!
Oh, this is ridiculous. I don't even want to respawn.
I know, I just sit here watching. Wait! Holy cow, right between my eyes. Oh, I flashed, I was like, shh. He's in that building.
In the building, he's not in the,
Watch in building? Watch in building?
Watch.
Hey, no, stay.
He's so good at the role playing stuff.
Watch!
This is for comical purposes only.
Cover fire!
Yeah, hold on to him, don't let him wander.
Huh? He has watch! Follow him!
You know who he reminds me of? He reminds me of Leroy in the new Black Ops zombie map. Really tall, skinny.
Yeah.
Special person that you gotta lead around.
It was so funny. Did you hear him? Come on! Come on! And he keeps saying it like...
It tells time in order of 10.
In tens?
Yeah, it's
Metric watch,
Metric watch. Metric watch.
Or just lazy, because I really don't want to lift him.
What's it look like?
Fucking sandbags are heavy.
That's the idea.
What?
What are you doing sensitive, Chuck?
What?
I'm the most excessive man there is.
Look what you've become.
That's all I'm going to be in 30 years.
And cotton and slithering. If only we were all so lucky.
I'm like the worst at looking for things, so...
I think we're missing something.
Yeah.
Maybe not down on the floor.
we're missing something deeper.
You really think it's that complicated?
I think we're pretty dumb.
I think there's a moral to the story.
Pull in the closet and buzz it.
I don't think it's a watch. I think he thinks it's a watch.
Right.
Gold. Did anybody check the cinder block he's under?
He's under?
On top of. Forgive me. It's been a long night.
No, that's fine. I was very confused for a
Hey, buddy,
moment.
can you sit up for a second? Stand up.
You sit up.
Sit up. That's a word. Okay. I've heard it before. Nothing there, huh?
What's the matter?
Here, you can have that. Knock yourself out now.
No, don't tell him to do that.
Let's get 10 numbers.
TV. You can watch that.
Huh?
You can watch the TV.
Count 10 8?
Sure. Why not? I want to let him just see if he does it.
Yeah, it's pine fiber.
Yeah, help him shit.
Is it pine fiber? I don't think it is. Wait, Buck is.
I don't think Buck is. I think it has to be green.
What?
You know that though.
You're not taking it? You're not taking it?
Here you go, Abe.
Buzz. B. 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 Sorry, is there anything inside the spinner? Go look inside the spinner. What do you look for? Is that Abe knocking around out there?
Yep. So we're just going to sit here and...
We're going to sit here and wait till he figures it out.
Wait for who to what now?
Wait for the retard to figure it out.
We're going to wait until
I forgot! I'm to put it on a watch. I saw that watch and I liked it still, but to put it on one. It's a home now.
We don't have to walk you home too,
Yeah,
right?
I don't know much about computers.
Computers. Oh, we probably gotta walk him home.
pork chop sandwiches?
I know, I still wanna like, there's gotta be something. There's nothing.
They want it. They want the precious. They're going to take it from you.
Right over there.
They lies. They're sending you the wrong way.
Behind the wall, behind the wall, behind the wall. I'm looking at it. I'm looking for it.
It's here. Just think about where your head went. Don't you love that? You dare say that? Oh, that's very helpful too. You done it.
So...
I'm about this close to putting him out of his misery. Yeah. He's looking. What? Oh shit.
What?
I told you they wanted your precious. You should blow them up.
His gold shining metric.
Let me get out of the base.
You should blow them up.
Send one. 1, go. 3, 2, 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 1, go. I'm out.
I'm out too. Well, I'm not out, but I'm out of gas currently.
I don't think our balls touched.
Someday. It's balls touch.
It's 2 PKMs.
This is a long night.
This is AFVN, serving the American fighting man 24 hours a day from the Delta to the DMZ. With transmitters in Quang Tri, Da Nang, Quy Nhon, Pleiku, and Nha Trang. The Skeet Network station in Saigon, Vietnam.